Say you want to find the HCF of 3 numbers. Say for example, HCF of 12, 16 and 28. Okay. How to find the HCF of 3 numbers? First you will find HCF of 2 numbers. Okay. You can find it using HCF of 3 numbers using division method. You can either use prime factorization method or you can use division method. Now I'll show you using division method. I'll show you using, don't touch it. I'll show you using division method. Okay. Just now we saw using division method how to find for 2 numbers. Just now I showed using division method how to find for 2 numbers. So let us first find for 2 numbers here. Say 12 and 16. Okay. So if you want to find for 12 and 16, we'll divide the bigger number by the smaller number. 12 ones are 12. Remainder? 4. Isn't it? Remainder is 4. So now this remainder will become the new divisor. 4 will become the new divisor. And the old divisor will become the new dividend. 12. So now 4 3s are 12. The remainder is 0. When you get the remainder 0, you will end the method. The method will end. So what is the HCF? The last divisor. That is 4. So 4 is the HCF of 12 and 16. Now you have to find the HCF of 4 and 28. You will find the HCF of 4 and 28. How to do it? Again, divide the bigger number by the smaller number. We can clearly see that 4 7s are 28. Yes or no? Remainder is
0.
That's it. So what is the HCF?
4.
The last divisor, that is 4 itself. So the HCF is 4. HCF of 4 and 28, 4. So HCF of all these 3 numbers is 4. Clear?
Sir.
Is it clear to everyone how to find HCF of 3 numbers?
Sir.
Prabhu, can you see the board from there? Okay. Prime factorization takes some time, isn't it? Is it clear to everyone? HCF and LCM, new students?
Yes, sir.
How to find for 3 numbers? Okay. Everyone sitting at home, can you all hear me? Am I audible? Everyone sitting at home, am I audible? Okay. Yes, Diksha, I'll look at your doubt a little later, just a moment. Clear this. Next, you all know how to operate on decimals? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of decimals? New students, are you familiar with that? Do you know how to do that? You know? Why? Sorry? Division. What about multiplication, addition, subtraction? Only division. Division of what? Decimal by decimal or? Okay. See here, in division of decimals, suppose you have something like this. 12.048. 12.048 divided by 2.4. Okay? You have to find the answer. So how to find it? We can write this as 12.048 by 2.4. So now the 2.4, the divisor, your denominator or the divisor 2.4, what you have to do first? You have to remove the decimal point from this. How many decimal places are there? 1 decimal place. So we have to multiply it by 10. 1 followed by 1 0. You have to multiply the denominator by that many zeros as many there are decimal places, isn't it? So if you multiply by 10 in the denominator, you have to also multiply by 10 in the numerator. Same 10. So after multiplying, what will happen? This decimal place will shift to the right. 2.4 will become 24, isn't it? And here also you are multiplying by 1 followed by 1 0. So this decimal place will shift 1 place to the right, isn't it? It will become 120.48. Clear? Now you can divide, isn't it? Now how to divide? We'll divide 120.48 by 24. Okay? So when you divide by 24, you'll first see that 24 into 5 will give you 120. Remainder, nothing. 0. Next we'll bring down 4. But when we just brought down 4, we just crossed the decimal point, isn't it? To the decimal part. We just crossed the decimal point to the decimal part, so we have to put the decimal point in the quotient also. Listen very carefully, Pranit. We have to put the decimal point in the quotient also. Since we just crossed the decimal point and went to a decimal part, that is 4, we have to put the decimal point in the quotient also. Now, can you divide 4 by 24? No. So 24 zeros are 0 will come, isn't it? And then we have to bring down the next number 8. So now can you divide 48 by 24? Yes. 24 to the 48. That's it. Remainder? 0. That's it. So what is the answer? 5.02. That is how you divide decimals. That is how you divide a decimal number by another decimal number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to always remove the decimal point from the denominator or the divisor first. Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly note it down then. Quickly. Whoever wants to note it down, quickly note it down.
Please, sir.
Did you understand? Done? Next. Clear? Done? Next in chapter number 8, measurement. Next in chapter number 8, measurement. What about the chapter number 8, measurement? Does anyone have any problem in that, new students? Doubts we'll look at later, but what about the topics, the concept in measurement? In measurement, in the measurement chapter, you basically have measurement of length that you do in meter, isn't it? Measurement of weight that you do in gram, and measurement of length in meter, measurement of weight in gram, and measurement of volume in liters, isn't it? So now, in this 3 types of measurement, you have meter as the unit in length, gram as the unit in weight, and liter as the unit in volume. But you also have some bigger units and smaller units compared to them. For example, if you go on the smaller side, just before meter you have to use this prefix or something that you add before deca. Below that, if you go smaller than deca, centi, then milli. And if you go more than Meter, above meter you will have deci. No. Deci is small, isn't it? Deci is small, deca is big. Above deca you have hecto, and above hecto, kilo. This thing is applicable to all these three types of measurement, isn't it? In gram also you will find decagram, hectogram, kilogram, and smaller than gram you will find decigram, centigram, milligram. Similarly in liter also, isn't it? You just have to add these words before them. Go. And how do they differ? Each differ by 10, isn't it? 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter, 10 gram equal to 1 decagram, 100 liter equal to 1 hectoliter, 1000 liter equal to 1 kiloliter, isn't it? Between each and every one of them, the difference is of 10, isn't it? The small, basically the bigger ones, you will go to the bigger ones, you have to what? Divide by 10. And when you go to the smaller ones, you have to multiply by 10. For example, if somebody tells you how much is 21, write 21 kilogram, write 21 kilogram in decigram. Write 21 kilogram in decigram. So, what is how much does kilogram differ by decigram? How much is the difference between them? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10, that is 4 zeros, isn't it? 4 times 10 means 4 zeros, that is 10,000. How much? 10,000. So that means I can say that 1 kilogram, kilogram we write in kg, 1 kilogram equal to 10,000 decigram. How do you write decigram? Huh? How do you write decigram? How do you write decigram and how do you write decagram? Huh? And decigram? Decagram we simply write dg. And decigram will simply write dg. And decagram we write dag, isn't it? dag is decagram. For deca we write da. Okay? Yes, Shahana, we'll look at it a little later, just a moment. So, 1 kilogram equal to 10,000 decagram. So, 21 kilogram equal to how many 1 kilogram equal to 10,000 decigram. So, 21 kilogram will be how many decigram? You have to multiply by 10,000, isn't it? You have to multiply by 10,000. So, it will be equal to 21. How many zeros? 4 zeros. So 2,10,000 decigram, isn't it? Clear? And there are some special units of measurement, for example, special relationship, for example, between liter and what? cc. What is cc? Cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter may be written as cc, or cubic centimeter may also be written as cm. They may write it cm cubic centimeter or cc. That means cubic centimeter. And what is the relation? 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Isn't it? 1 liter equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. That is, you can say that, but you also know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 what? Milliliter, isn't it? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So you can say that 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter, isn't it? Milliliter and cubic centimeter are the same. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Clear?
Yes, sir.